Day, 25th of May, I am just gonna do a winning day um trade recap. So this is a day I'm definitely not proud of, but I went to this day with the mindset of just trying to get a winning day, which almost had it, but um almost made me tilt again, but this time because I already know how I'm gonna handle my emotions. It's a lot different. So okay, I'll just turn on my positions here. I mean execution marks. Okay, so boom, boom, whatever, I'll get like 160, I think. 160, limited order something here, just to get $1. All right, so this unknown is, I mean, no news, definitely no news Monday as well as a bank holiday. That's why I'm not planning to trade today, but I was like, bro, I'm just gonna go look for a winning day. Winning day. I mean, looking for a winning day shouldn't be really stressful for me. It wasn't really stressful, but it could have been a lot more stressful. But I really just managed my emotion. So going into the day, I only had pretty much not this one. I marked this out, but I know this is like a low that is less likely to happen on a bank holiday. So pretty much I have only this low line. This is a legal low. Also, this buy side liquidity. Okay. With that aside. uh, I was only looking pretty much for longs. So out of market open, we had a huge volatility that was exerted in the market, as ES also did that. So I was like, okay, we're definitely not going to manipulate anymore. And technically, already when was holding this internal bullish S&P out of market open, and I kind of was using it as a compliment, but I still wanted all of these lows to get taken out. But with that, I was like, okay, this is gonna be more discretionary. It's not a type of trade that's gonna be more mechanical. I just really want to look for a winning day. So I got my winning day here. I went for a limit order here. The price was already here. I knew the price was already there. Then I just put my stop loss here. Then yeah, this gap was holding, and then after closing here, I just take my stops on to this low. Like that doesn't really matter as much anymore. Anyways, I banked here. You could see it's just the same high. So I keep it at 2995. Pretty much the same, right? And I don't know if I could show it. I don't think so. Can you see like my history here or something? But like in terms of P&L, but bro, I was literally like 149.25 cents. I only have, bro, $0.75 away from a winning day. And here I was like, shit, I've already seen this to other people. It never happened to me ever. But for some people, bro, they tilt over that sand where they can have a winning day or whatever, and shit hits the fan and they freaking blow their account. And bro, here I was like, okay, I really want to take longs. Like the wick at this time was like right here. Say it was like right here. Let's just say the wick was right there. And what I said, all right, I'm just gonna go limit order slightly there because I do believe you're gonna retrace here. Then I was just, I was, my limit order was filled. I just literally put a like buy limit here. And the second I put it there, I literally got stopped out. I don't know if you can see that, but it literally just mobbed to downside in just one candle. I don't know what candle was that, but it just mobbed in one candle. Got taken out right away. And I was up like I think I'm still like green by like 18 something dollars. And I was like right here, bro. I was chasing away 0.67 for a winning day. And I was just like, if I was here just literally $1 up, I'm out. Maybe not $1. I just need to make some a little bit more than $1 just to make sure, the fees and everything. Trade ended up working. I just literally got stopped on it. So I got stopped out there. And here I really just prayed for a setup. So for me, this is the cleanest Mac model I could look for today. So this one is not I mean, still discretionary due to the conditions, but it's a lot more mechanical. So what did we have here? On ES, we have essential 5 minute gap, giving us a bullish S&T because we created here a higher high and we had here like higher low. So we just have this essential 5 minute gap, and I was looking for a 30-second inversion, which I marked out here, but I didn't want the entry there. So initially, my position was like trying, where was it? It's like around 2667, 2976. So like I have a limit order 2976, which if I did, I would have got a better fill, but yeah, something like this, then try to get the winning day. Then like bro, the price literally just chop, chop, chop. We open this 1 minute gap. I just literally put my entry on this, the equilibrium of the 1 minute gap, and I just put my stops at this low. And when we're just like pumping higher, I was just trailing, and then when we close above here, I was just putting my stops here. Then looking edge my TP a bit, then just banks it. And here's just really obvious. You want to really go to the buy side again. For those people that we're not really looking for winning days. You just literally want to take a trade and whatever, bro. It's like typically like bank holidays, it just goes in one direction, as well as Mondays. And for me, guys, if you really want to get a W day, could have entered here, same entry like here, and targeted that with like 3 minis, I guess. For the equity I have, it's gonna be 3 minis and bank the day. Yeah, it's pretty much that. Really quick day. Um, yeah, it's like it's just really obvious. You have this LR right here, LRL, and yeah, he has just a lot bullish and respectable trader is.